Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with your MyMazda app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to just close your MyMazda app and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So just open up the settings app and now we should just go back into our homepage right here as you can see on settings. Then in here scroll down a little bit and then click on general. And as you can see it should now take us here, which is perfect. Just scroll down in here and then click on storage. We're just going to wait here for all of this right here to load. Then scroll all the way up right here until you can see the search bar up top. So click on search, search for MyMazda and click on the app. Then you're just going to simply click on upload app in here and once again click on upload app. Just wait a couple of seconds here and then click on the blue button here once again. So now what you're going to do is to just simply wait for your MyMazda app to completely update to its latest version. Because actually I did this myself and then when it was done, I just went back into the app and now it was working for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.